Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some yarny goodness. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. And if you are new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. I do dabble a little bit into a few other things, but it is mostly about crochet. And if you subscribe to my channel and tap the bell to be notified when I release videos, you're going to find out that I love crochet. So today's video is actually a kit review club. So, you know, if you want to watch and see what kind of kits Annie's has, that's the kit review club that I'm fixing to do. I just want to show you guys what kind of stuff they have out there. I am an affiliate with them. I love them. They have so much stuff. Here's their Crochet World magazine, one of the magazines that they have, and I have a pattern in that magazine. And so I'm so excited about that. It's my first published. I mean, I have a website and I've put out patterns on there, and then on Etsy. Most of them are all doll patterns, doll clothes patterns, and I have a few wearables. But yeah. I wanted to show off Annie's because I love Annie's kit, and I just want to show you guys what kind of stuff they have out there. So I printed out some notes here so I don't forget everything. I do not have all the kits in front of me. Some kits I have worked and given away the project that was in them as gifts and things like that. So I don't have everything here with me, but the few items that I do have, I thought I might show you because they have so many. They have at least 13 kit clubs. That's a lot. That is a lot. I have not tried all of them, but I've tried quite a few of them. Some of them I still get. Some I have on hold because I can't afford all of this. So I just try different ones and see which one actually fits me. And so far at this moment, the ones that fit into my lifestyle, my budget, and things like that so far is the Hook and Needle Kit Club, the Carrying Club, and I thought there was another one. I'll remember as I'm showing them off. But so anyway, I just wanted to bring this to you guys. Right now, they have let's see, I wrote it down here, a 50% off all of the first shipment. So like if you go on and you sign up, through my link that I'll have at the bottom, you'll get 50% off your first order, and you get 80% off if you order the Creative Girls Club. Theirs is 80%. Now Annie's has a few new clubs here, and I've showed you one of them, and one of them was the farmhouse kit. Oh my gosh, it was so cute. I do not have that one because my daughter is actually working it. She wanted it. So I told her, I said, well, if you'll work it up, you can have it. Just give it back to me so that I can show my viewers what it looks like worked up. And it's a beautiful wreath, and it's a pretty big wreath. So I'm pretty excited about that one. But yeah, she took that. And anyway, so I wanted to show you some. One of these kit clubs is the Annie's Crochet Afghan Block of the Month Club. And this is what it looks like. Now, I'm not sure, but I think I saw online where they have another one of these that is, they've changed the coloring on. But this one is one that they had sent me earlier this year. And it's Premier Everyday, I think it's Premier Everyday 4-weight yarn. And so that's probably most likely the yarn that they're going to be using. And we all know that's good yarn. Anyway, it comes with this. You get your couple of hooks. You get a yarn needle. It's right there. You get this book right here. And I believe the pattern's inside there. And then this right here is a stitch guide. I'm not going to pull that out, but you get a crochet stitch guide. And I like that this is plastic in here so you can keep up with the hook and everything that you need for this project. And you can even put your pattern that's in here, you can even put that inside here. So that's pretty cool. I'm not really sure exactly. Let me look on here to let you know how many of those that you get. It looks like you probably get 3 squares. that's what it looks like. It says blocks 10 through 12. So this certain package is blocks 10 through 12. So you'd get 3 of these squares. Look how cool they are. So you get to learn new techniques at the same time. I think that's cool. And then you don't have to worry about your hook or anything. It comes with it. So you get that. Okay, the other one that is similar to it, and like I said, one of these has the has changed coloring. So I'm not sure which one, but this is also the Premier Anti-Peeling yarn in it as well. Man, that's good yarn. But it's this one right here. But you may want to check because I think they have another color out. But it comes with a pattern inside there. And then you get this book also, again, a hook, and you get a yarn needle. You get stitch markers, and then there's your conversion guide and stuff on the back, which you can never have enough of that because you're always misplacing it. This is stripes 1, 2, and 3. And how awesome is that? Look at those stripes. So you can learn some techniques this way as well. So I think that's really cool. And like I said, on all these kits, they run pretty close to like the maybe $19.99 a month, $24.99 a month, or maybe it's $19. I can't remember. Somewhere around that price range. And you can put your kits on hold. You can cancel them after your first month. I do have a few of mine that's on hold because, like I said, I can't afford all these kits. So I just have a couple of them. So I have some on hold because I like them so much that I want to go back and get a few here and there. Let's see. The one that is my favorite, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. And that is the Hook and Needle Kit Club. And here is one that you can make some baskets with. And I actually made one of the baskets. I showed this in an earlier video, but if you are new, I just have little crochet stuff inside there. I have a stitch marker hanging on it. But yeah, so you can make stuff like that. That's the store and stow baskets, Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. And then I have another Hook and Needle Kit Club. This is called the Nesting Stash Basket. And here it is. And then look at these beautiful colors. Yep, I love it. So that's another one. And here is another Hook and Needle Kit Club. This is called the Ticking Stripe Kitchen Set. I like this a lot as well. There it is right there. Aren't they pretty? And then like here's the colors that comes with it. It's very nice. Okay, then there's another, let's see. Wait, here's another Hook and Needle Kit Club. This is to make the Japanese garden placemat. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? What I like about them is that you get these clubs, these kits, and you don't have to worry about figuring out what kind of yarn you want to use because the kit has it for you. And all you got to do is just pull the kit out and just start making it. Let's see. This is another Hook and Needle Kit Club. This is to make this scarf right here. Isn't it beautiful? I have not made this one yet. Obviously, here's my yarn. It is beautiful yarn, by the way. Absolutely beautiful. I have started it, but in a different yarn because I was making it for someone who I needed the pink for. I'm still going to make that one because I love that, but that one's going to be for me. So, but I did make this in pink, but it's for someone else. So, and I'm not finished with it. But it's a good repetitive good repetitive pattern. So I like that. But that's an idea. Okay, I think that may be all my Hook and Needle Kit Clubs. So the other one, this is new. And it's called the Creative Woman Kit of the Month. It's right here. And then it comes with all these supplies right here. This is one of their new clubs if you're interested in it. Very nice. And they have a carrying crochet kit club. And so you can make stuff like this. In the carrying, this one, I made this blanket. This was the yarn that they had given me. I think 3 or 4 skeins of it. three skeins of this. This is super soft. Now, I made a corner-to-corner blanket instead of what they had. Only because that's what I wanted. I felt like that one, the hose might have been a little bit too big for me. And so I made this one. I probably could have made that one as well. I don't know. I saved the pattern because I do plan on making this pattern as well. But I'm going to use a thicker yarn for it, is all. Still soft, but a little bit thicker yarn. Anyway, so let's see. I think that's all that I have on the kits to actually show you that I have here in my house. There are 13 kit clubs. And if you did not know, like I said, they have the magazines too. And I was going to tell you what magazines they have. They have Annie's Crochet Specials, Country Sampler Magazine, Crochet with an exclamation point, Crochet World, which is that one, and Farmhouse Style, Good Old Days, Just Cross Stitch, and Quilter's World. So that's all the magazines. And the other thing is Fiction Club. I just recently discovered this. Look at this, guys. I'm not going to read all that off. Look at all the different books if you like to read. And you'll just get a book every, I don't know if it's every month or every so many weeks or something. Isn't that cool? That's a lot. There are some that I want on here, and one of them obviously is going to be, which one did I pick out? The Annie's Attic Mystery and Secrets of the Castleton Manor Library, The Inn at Magnolia Harbor, and Antique Shop Mysteries. Those are some that I have picked out. Okay, now the kit clubs. Like I said, there's about 13 of them. So here they all are. Look at that. They have a lot. Now this farmhouse, where is it at? The Farmhouse Style Kit Club. It is new. And they sold out so fast when it first came out, the first couple of months. And I got an email saying that they would be back in stock October the 6th. So you may want to check that out. That's the one where I had gotten the big wreath. You can always go back and watch my video. And I show that off. Matter of fact, I'll link that video below in case you're interested in it. But that one will be back in stock October the 6th. So I'll just read it off to you real quick. There's the Annie's Card Maker Kit of the Month, the Carrying Crochet, I showed that one to you. The Creative Quilters, the Woman Kit of the Month, I showed you that one. The Afghan Block of the Month, showed you that. The Striped Afghan, showed you that one. Hook and Needle Kit Club, and I showed you that one. The Afghan Block of the Month, I think I just read that one. Oh, that's a knit. The Knit Afghan Block of the Month. So see, guys, it's not just crochet. Simply Beads Kit of the Month, the Creative Girls Club, and like I said, that one, your first month will be 80% off right now. Everything Christmas Block of the Month. I'm going to have to look into that one. Farmhouse Style Kit, Holiday Quilters Club, and Young Woodworkers Kit Club. So I just want to bring that to you guys' attention so that you would know. So just, if you want to get into a new club, try out a new magazine. Oh yeah, and then their memberships. They have the Creative Studio, the Free Shipping Club, the Half Price Club, and the Knit and Crochet Now All Access Club. Get that word right here. Then TV, they got the Knit and Crochet Now, the pattern books, the catalogs is on here. I mean, this is a lot of stuff. So you'll want to go check out. And of course, it's not all the stuff that they sell. I mean, that they have the yarns and, all those type of things. Anyway, I just want to bring them to your attention. I personally love Annie's. I'm on their website almost every day checking out stuff. And if you sign up for their email, you'll get specials all the time. And a lot of times they give out these cute little free scissors. Let's see. I don't have any here because I've got them in my bag, project bags. Well, that's a shame. They're always giving these free cute little scissors, and they are always like little fairies or just different little witches, and they're just whatever the season is. The scissors, the top of it will kind of be shaped like that. Anyway, and they're so cute. But they'll give you emails like if you buy 5 books or 3 books or whatever it is, you'll get these free scissors, and or 5 patterns or whatever. And I don't know, it's just different stuff like that. And they'll give you emails talking about free shipping when they have those. And I don't know. They just got all kinds of specials, just about like any other company that you sign up for their newsletter, you'll get talking about the deals that they have going on. So it's kind of like that. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. A few of these kits, the company actually sent to me to do as a review. The majority of these kits I have bought with my own money because I like Annie's and I like being in their monthly kit club, and I look forward to getting that in the mail. Majority of these, I think they come in like in a purple bag, which is, I always know that I got an Annie's when the purple bag arrives. So yeah, so that's all that I have. I'll leave the links below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.